Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, February 22nd, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I've been with LiveGood for 2 months now. It's actually been 62 days, so I thought I would do a 2-month update video for you. All right, I'll take you inside my back office, show you how much money I've made, how many people are on my team, and everything like that, okay? And I don't do these videos to brag or to think, because I think I'm somebody special or anything like that. I'm simply showing you my back office and being transparent so that you know what's possible if you put in a little work and stay consistent, okay? I'm not a big-time marketer. I don't have millions of followers or email lists with 100,000 people on them. I'm simply just grinding this out every day, doing income-producing activities every day, like making a YouTube video, posting on Facebook, and just sharing this opportunity with people. So that is all you have to do to be successful with this company. Now, the earnings disclaimer is in the video description box. I can't guarantee that you're going to have any results with this company. It's all dependent on your work ethic and if you treat it like a real business or not, okay? So with that being said, let's jump in here. And the first thing I'm going to show you is my order history because I'm absolutely in love with these products, okay? You can see back here on December 21st, this was my payment to join when I became a member. So I paid the $49.95. The very next day, I placed an order here. I got the Maximum Energy Pack. I got the hat. I got a t-shirt. I got the shaker bottle. And that's what this order was for. And then about a month later, I ordered the Maximum Energy Pack again. I got some skincare products for my wife and some CBD oil. And then on the next day after that, which was my 1-month anniversary in the company, I upgraded to the yearly membership. All right. So my membership is good until February of 2024. So I don't have to worry about my membership being paid. Okay. And then you can see here just a few days ago, I placed another order. I got the magnesium I'm going to start using and the Maximum Energy Pack. All right. I'm absolutely in love with these products. I wake up in the morning, I drink the organic coffee, I take the essential aminos, I drink the super reds and the super greens. In fact, I have a super green right here. All right, I absolutely love these products. They taste great. I have tons of energy. I'm super focused. I'm losing weight. And I just feel really good. So I highly recommend these products, okay? Here, I'll show you my membership. Like I said, I'm good until February of 2024. All right, you can see that right here. All right, so now I'm going to show you my earnings. All right, and I'll pull out the calculator. Now, back here, the first week, I was only in it 2 days before the cutoff date. So I earned $25 because I brought one person in. All right, then the following week, I made $200. I did not get a monthly payment here because I wasn't in the company for a month. You have to be in the company at least a month to earn the monthly matrix pay and the matching bonuses and everything. So that's why that's 0. But the following pay period, I earned $165, followed by $304.50, followed by $247.50, followed by $239.60. Here I received my first matching bonus pay, or my matrix pay, and then the matching bonuses. And, this is only for people that have been in for a month, people that renew their membership. So I only got paid on a few people. So next month when I receive my monthly pay, this is going to be a lot more, okay? But we have the 1917, and then we have $139.50. And last pay period, I received $113 for a total of $1,453.27. Okay, so you divide that by 2, and I'm earning about $726.64 monthly right now with LiveGood. Okay, and that's just going to keep going up because our team keeps going up, and I'm going to show you that right here. Okay, now I just recruited somebody new today, so I have 20 personal referrals. Okay, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But I have 20 personal referrals. What happens here, and why this sometimes doesn't read the exact amount that you have, is because people don't always pay their membership on time. So if they don't pay their membership on time, it drops them off of this until they renew their membership. All right, and as far as I understand, if you don't pay your monthly membership by the due date, you have until the end of the month to keep your position in the matrix and pay, and make your bill current, make your membership current. All right, you can see here I have 450 total team members on my team so far, and I have 2 out of the 3 legs with silver needed for gold this month. So I thought I was going to get to gold a lot sooner, but I'm almost there. I'm 2/3 of the way there as far as my personal enrollees and the legs needed for silver. So I have no doubt in my mind that within a short period of time that I'm going to rank up to gold. All right, I just know that that's going to happen. I'm putting it out in the universe that it's going to happen, and I trust that it will. So that's what this looks like here. A total of 450 people on my team so far, which is huge. Okay. Now I'm going to show you my team and how this all breaks down. Click on the enroller tree. All right, so here you can see I have 20 personally enrolled customers and affiliates and 19 enrolled members, and that's just because one person has not updated their membership yet. All right, as soon as they do, that'll switch back to 20. I have 4 affiliates this month personally enrolled, and that's my first level. Now check this out when I go to all levels. All right, I'm a silver, so I get paid on 13 levels. And just this month alone, we have 144 new people in our matrix, okay, underneath me, that I get paid on every single month moving forward, as long as they stay active. Okay, so this is huge. All right, I'll show you the matrix list view here. Now, because I'm a silver, I get paid 13 levels deep, and this is what my matrix, these are what the levels look like. All right, so my first level's filled, my second level is completely filled, my third and fourth levels are completely filled. After the cutoff date on Thursday, tomorrow, these numbers down here are all going to go up. All right, but you can see here, I mean, the 5th level I have 22 people, the 6th, 28. Look at this, the 8th level I have 72 people, the 12th level I have 63 people, and I get paid on these every single month. All right, so it's going really well. I'm super excited about this. I'm going to show you the power line view and show you just how quickly this company is growing. We have over 2,000 people joining this every day now. And I believe there's over 50,000 people in the company. Yeah, you can see here. So here's my name right here. All right, joined December 21st. And right here, 55,135 members have joined after you in the power line. All right, so this company is just on fire. I highly recommend you check it out if you haven't already. Pre-enroll, get in this, pay the $40 one-time affiliate fee to get your back office like this. You get all the marketing tools and websites you need. We have training every week. And then it's only $9.95 a month afterwards to keep your membership active, okay? So, yeah, we have weekly trainings. I have a personal Facebook group that's private for all of my personal enrollees, and then any of those people who want to bring in their enrollees can do so. We have several other groups that I'm a part of on here, the bigger groups, but I wanted to make a private group just for my personal enrollees so we can stay in touch and help one another out like that. So there's all kinds of good things in the pipeline that we're doing. We have presentations we're going to start doing next week for the team, so you can just invite your pre-enrollees to that, or prospects to the presentation, and let us give them a presentation or overview of the company. We're working on a marketing system that's going to be for our team, and yeah, just a lot of awesome stuff. So if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're interested in learning more about LiveGood, there's a link down below. You can click on that. You'll be taken over here to my tour page that looks like this. All right, we have a 6-minute video right here that explains everything in great detail. You can reserve your position in our matrix by simply entering your first and last name and a valid email address and clicking reserve my position now. It's free to do this, and you can opt out anytime. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you found value in it. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. I also appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. It's people like you that are really helping me succeed with LiveGood, and I just want to give back and be a great leader in this company. So I'm working on that, and I appreciate all your help with that. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.